This is the largest fruit manufacturing plant in the USA.
Millions of fruits are processed here every single day.
This factory never sleeps. From fresh farms across America to this giant processing plant. Every truck carries tons of fruit. The journey begins with inspection.
Only high-quality fruits are accepted.
Damaged fruits are removed immediately.
This ensures consistent quality.
Next comes industrial washing.
Every fruit is cleaned thoroughly.
Hygiene standards are extremely strict.
This prevents contamination.
Automation handles most of the work.
Look at the sensor reading here. It's unstable.
I see it. Dialing back the input current.
Fruits are sorted by size. Giant fruits go to premium lines. Precision cutting begins here. Every cut is perfectly measured. Speed is critical.
Temperature is tightly controlled.
This keeps fruits fresh.
Nothing goes to waste. Sustainability is built in.
Processed fruits move to packaging.
Packaging happens at incredible speed. Each package is sealed instantly. Labels are applied automatically. Every package is traceable. Only approved products move forward. Products enter cold storage. Cold storage preserves freshness. Distribution happens nationwide. This is industrial food at its peak. And it never stops.
But this is only half the story. This factory runs 24 hours a day. Automation handles the heavy lifting. Humans ensure precision.
Every process is monitored digitally.
Fruit size and weight are measured instantly.
Only perfect fruits move forward. Imperfect ones are redirected. Nothing is wasted. Sustainability is a priority here.
Precision cutting continues.
Every slice is identical.
Speed and accuracy work together.
Temperature stays tightly controlled.
This protects flavor and freshness.
Now comes high-speed packaging. Each package is sealed instantly.
Labels are applied automatically. Every package is tracked.
Quality checks never stop.
Only approved products continue.
Products move into cold storage.
Cold storage preserves quality. Orders are prepared around the clock. Distribution covers the entire country. Millions of fruits ship every day.
Stores depend on this supply.
Consumers see the final result. Day and night.
Every system is synchronized.
Efficiency is everything.
Hygiene is strictly enforced. This factory meets global standards. Technology makes this possible.
Here is the next sensor.
Thank you. It fits perfectly now.
Excellent work, team. Keep it up.
This is large-scale food manufacturing. At its absolute peak. And it keeps growing. And it keeps growing. Demand never stops. Neither does production. Every detail matters. From machines.
This approach really highlights the potential for the next quarter.
Absolutely. I think this is exactly what we needed.
This is factory teamwork. Built for efficiency. And built for scale. This is how America feeds millions.
All starting from farms.
And ending in stores.
One massive journey. Largest fruit plant in the USA. Largest fruit plant in the USA.
Like this video if you enjoyed the tour. Subscribe for more factory tours.
Comment which factory you want next.
This is industrial food on a massive scale.
But this factory is still expanding.
Demand keeps increasing every year.
To keep up with America's needs. Automation is the backbone.
The throughput on line 3 is still lagging by 10%.
I see that. I've adjusted the robotic arm settings here on the tablet.
Every shift follows strict protocols.
Food safety is non-negotiable. Each fruit is treated with care.
Even at massive scale.
Sequence complete.
Confirmed. Ready for the next unit.
But this factory has mastered it. Millions of fruits leave here daily. Heading across the country.
reaching homes everywhere.
All starting from nature.
And ending on your table.
It's Robertan Massa. This is the real food journey.
Hidden behind supermarket shelves.
Bigger than most people imagine. This is industrial food power. Built in the USA. To feed millions every day. With precision.
With speed.
And with care. This is modern manufacturing. At the highest level.
Subscribe for more factory tours like this.
The largest fruit manufacturing plant in the USA.